If you think your car will easily last 200,000 miles, think again. Most cars don't even make it past 100,000 without expensive breakdowns, and the worst part, it's usually because of habits drivers don't even realize are destroying their vehicles. Today, I'm exposing 5 hidden habits that silently kill your car long before it's time. If you want to avoid repair bills that drain your wallet, stick with me until the end, because the last one is something even careful drivers get wrong. Habit number 1: ignoring warm-up time. Jumping in, starting the engine, and flooring it right away might feel fine, but inside your engine, cold oil hasn't fully circulated. That means metal grinding on metal, creating microscopic wear every single morning. It doesn't show up today, but fast forward 80,000 miles and you've shaved years off your engine's life. So, give your car 30 to 60 seconds before heavy driving. That small patience now can save you from a $5,000 engine rebuild later. Habit number 2: resting your foot on the brake or clutch. Seems harmless, right? But even light pressure keeps those components under stress. For automatics, it wears out the brake pads prematurely. For manuals, it's even worse. Riding the clutch can cut its life in half. And when that clutch fails, that's a $1,200 bill staring you in the face. So, ask yourself, is a lazy habit worth a 4-figure repair? Habit number 3: skipping fluid checks. Most people check oil. But what about transmission, coolant, or brake fluid? Neglecting these is like skipping half your doctor's appointments. A single overheating episode from low coolant can crack your head gasket. That's a $2,500 mistake. Here's the reality: 5 minutes once a month checking fluids can literally add years to your car. Habit number 4: ignoring small noises. That little squeak, rattle, or grinding sound. It's your car whispering before it screams. A $50 brake pad replacement ignored can turn into a $700 rotor job. That tiny belt squeal could be the prelude to a snapped serpentine belt that strands you on the highway. Remember, cars rarely fail without warning, you just have to listen. Habit number 5: bad refueling practices. And here's the big one. Running your tank low all the time might feel like living on the edge, but it's a fast track to killing your fuel pump. Why? Because that pump relies on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. Starve it too often, and you're buying a $900 repair before 100k miles, and topping off after the nozzle clicks. That can flood your evaporative system and trigger expensive emissions problems. To habits, one silent killer. So, let's recap: skipping warm-ups, riding the brake or clutch, ignoring fluid checks, brushing off strange noises, and refueling the wrong way. These aren't just bad habits. They're financial traps waiting to drain your savings. The good news, now you know, and with a little awareness, you can drive smarter, keep your car running strong, and save thousands over the years. If you want more insider tips that mechanics don't always share, hit that subscribe button and join us here at Auto Repair, your trusted guide to smarter car ownership. Because in the end, it's not just about keeping your car alive, it's about keeping more money in your pocket, where it belongs.